Welcome to my channel, friends. Today, I'm thrilled to talk to you about a revolutionary product that has become a game changer in the world of clothing maintenance, the Nova Lint Remover for clothes, also known as the fabric shaver tint and dust remover. Not only does this innovative device make your clothes look brand new, but it also comes with a fantastic 1-year warranty, ensuring your satisfaction and peace of mind. So, let's dive into the uses and benefits of the Nova Lint Remover. Whether you have sweaters, blankets, or any fabric-based item, lint and fuzz can accumulate over time, making your favorite pieces look worn and tired. That's where the Nova Lint Remover steps in with its powerful yet gentle technology. One of the standout features of the Nova Lint Remover is its versatility. It works wonders on various fabrics, from delicate knits to sturdy wool. Here's the exciting part: the Nova Lint Remover is currently available on Amazon with a whopping 50% off. Yes, you heard it right, half the price for this incredible device that can transform the way you care for your clothes. To make things even easier for you, I've included the buying link in the description below. So, don't miss out on this fantastic offer. Click the link, grab your Nova Lint Remover, and say goodbye to lint-related woes. Before we wrap up, if you found this information helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends who might benefit from this product, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews and recommendations. Thank you for tuning in, and happy lint-free clothes shopping.